fast, anything but for Davy G. Martinez fighting back. Sorcerer as well. They're stepping up. We're trading blows here. There's still so much to do on the CT side. I don't think they've got it in them. Need to start defusing right here, right now. They don't have a kid in play. It looks like the round's over, and it's Kacpersky who will get it over the line, continuing to look fantastic here as he goes 18-5. Great work once again.
Bro, every one of those kills was just peak Kacpersky. That was gorgeous, man. I'm head over heels for that pistol round. I hope we can see it again. Yes, we can. Look at this. It's just a clean fadeaway jiggle on every fight he gets, except for the Mopos one. But these